Hi children, today we are going to take the new chapter, chapter number 5, Karlo Paryavaran Sudhar. It's a beautiful poem, and this poem describes the human imprudence of cutting trees and the far-reaching effects of deforestation. We know the trees are very important in our life. If the trees are not there, we can't exist in the earth. The foolishness which the humans did, what was the effects happened in our life, that we can see through this poem. वृक्ष काट कर की नादानी, सूख गया धरती का पानी, सूखे नदी कुएं तालाब, हुआ वातावरण पूरा खराब, वर्षा कम है गर्मी भारी, व्याकुल पशु पक्षी नर नारी. I will read the poem once again, so all of you listen carefully. वृक्ष काट कर की नादानी, सूख गया धरती का पानी, सूखे नदी कुएं तालाब, हुआ वातावरण पूरा खराब, वर्षा कम है गर्मी भारी, व्याकुल पशु पक्षी नर नारी. वृक्ष काट कर की नादानी, क्या नादानी की है मानव ने? यह नादानी की है. What was the foolishness the human did? The foolishness of cutting down trees. वृक्ष काट कर की नादानी, that was the first foolishness they did. And what was the result then? सूख गया धरती का पानी, पूरा धरती, that water of the earth dried up. If the water is not there, how can the plants live? If the plants are not there, how the humans, animals, they all will suffer. The same, सूखे nadi, related according to that process, what happened when they cut the trees, सूख गया धरती का पानी, that water of the earth dried up, सूखे nadi, rivers dried, कुएं तालाब, or as well as the well and the pond also dried up. हुआ वातावरण पूरा खराब, whole the atmosphere become poisonous, polluted, and the worst bad condition, पूरा खराब हो गया, the balance lost. We know their ecosystem, there is a balance. We need to, the plants, everything is important in our life. Plants, water, air, oxygen, everything. These all are supporting each other. If that is not there, all the balance will lose. वर्षा कम है गर्मी भारी, वर्षा कम होगी, the trees are not there, so how can we get the rain properly? So rainfall is become low and गर्मी भारी हो गया, the heat is heavy, we can't suffer the heat because no shades. Without oxygen, without water, how can we survive? सूखे नदी कुएं तालाब, हुआ वातावरण पूरा खराब, वर्षा कम है गर्मी भारी, व्याकुल पशु पक्षी नर नारी. व्याकुल हो गया, the people, animals, birds, all are distressed. They were really scared of the next what will happen. They couldn't get the water to drink, they won't get the oxygen to respirate. These all problems will come together. That was the main problem causal. The वृक्ष काट कर की नादानी, सूख गया धरती का पानी, सूखे नदी कुएं तालाब, हुआ वातावरण पूरा खराब, वर्षा कम है गर्मी भारी, व्याकुल पशु पक्षी नर नारी. You understood the meaning? It's nothing is there confusing. Everything is very easy. वृक्ष काट कर की नादानी, इसमें some word meaning I will write it on the board. Now listen. वृक्ष, what's the meaning? Tree. नादानी, imprudence or foolishness. वातावरण, atmosphere. Varsha, rain. व्याकुल, distressed. These are the main tough words in the poem. वृक्ष काट कर की नादानी, सूख गया धरती का पानी, सूखे नदी कुएं तालाब, हुआ वातावरण पूरा खराब, वर्षा कम है गर्मी भारी, व्याकुल पशु पक्षी नर नारी. This is the first stanza. Everyone keep your finger on the word and read it along with me. वृक्ष काटकर की नादानी, सूख गया धरती का पानी, सूखे नदी कुएं तालाब, हुआ वातावरण पूरा खराब। वर्षा कम है गर्मी भारी, व्याकुल पशु पक्षी नर नारी। भारी means it's become heavy. Bhari. So I hope you understand this stanza. It's a simple poem. When you read it properly, you need to pronounce each word properly. Vriksha, that ksha should come first properly. Nadani, सूख, सूख गया धरती का पानी, सूखे नदी कुएं तालाब, हुआ वातावरण पूरा खराब। वर्षा कम है गर्मी भारी, व्याकुल पशु पक्षी नर नारी। नर नारी मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स, नर और नारी मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स। पशु पक्षी, पशु मीन्स एनिमल्स, पक्षी मीन्स बर्ड्स। व्याकुल होना, they will become distressed. Okay, now you understood. Next stanza, next video. Thank you all.